Nestled away at the back of my garden is this little shed. It's pretty much full up of cool things, what I think's cool anyway. Got a VFR 400 hidden in here, a few little mini bikes, little tiny bikes under things, bunch of tools. Who doesn't love tools? But the idea is that I need like a really good space to be creative and fix stuff and keep my tools and not take over the whole garden and the whole house with everything. So the idea is that I'm going to turn this into an epic shed for free, because I'm not spending any money. I'm going to get everything off of Facebook Marketplace. I've got nice flooring. I've ripped apart loads of pallet wood so I can build some stuff. Going to build a new desk. Steve's given me some shelves. I've spruced them up. Going to stick them in here. Yeah, it's going to be epic. Let's do it. I don't know what that key is. So now I'm in the shed with a bike that I can't move. I've just got to go through everything and try and find a key for a lock. So I've just done a couple of rows. I was just standing here and admiring my work, and as I was doing that, I just put my hand out just to sort of lean on the door of the shed, and as I looked at where I was about to put my hand, I saw this little lady. That would have probably been a big mistake of mine. I thought I'd got rid of all the spiders in here, but apparently not. I thought I'd blow them all out with a leaf blower and that, but this little thing managed to stay hidden in the corner. Absolutely beautiful though. I just love that red bottom. I think I'll leave her be for now, and I'll carry on and not put my hand up there. Another awesome things, I got this tabletop saw for Father's Day. So I finished the flooring. I got this stuff off of Facebook Marketplace for free. It is actually really good flooring, and it was just the perfect amount. I didn't actually know, I just started and just thought, oh well, I can glue bits together if need be. There seemed like there was quite a lot there. It was just the perfect amount. Any more, it was like a foot bigger, I wouldn't have had enough. Just worked out perfectly. There's still a few offcuts, maybe I'll make something with those. But yeah, let's carry on. Let's see what else we can do in here. So my table's coming along quite nicely. I just want to put another support beam in here, but I don't have enough wood. I scavenged through the garden and I found this monster. Maybe it'll be okay, I don't know. Like you can see, it was buried in the back behind the shed. Maybe it'll be okay. Also on a side quest, I built a couple of swords. One for Kian, which him and Nika bought me this for Father's Day, so I thought I'd make him a sword out of the wood that I've got laying around. I made myself one too. Chop your arm off. Chop your arm off. Crazy, you wouldn't think that was the same piece of wood. Safety wise, don't call me. I have this much safety conscious. Just stay away from the sharp ends and don't line of fire and all that jargon. Stay away from that stuff. Don't do as I do. Enjoy, I suppose. I literally have like way too many jerry cans, like way too many. Harley Davidson parts, that's the 117 kit that was on the bike originally, as you can see by the pistons. Never used. So I've been doing some pondering on storage. So I've obviously got my shelves and stuff, but I need boxes to put into the shelves. cool is this? Drum roll, please. How epic is this? So I finished the shed. It come out extremely good. Really happy. There's a few little things that I'd like to do, a little bit extra. Maybe build a little trolley cart for tools and stuff, so I can, if I'm working outside, I can take a little cart out, put all things in it and take it out. Maybe something that I can store underneath here. Maybe something else. There's a big storage here. I always think maybe another motorbike would look pretty cool in here. Yeah, so what I've done is over here I've got all my posty stuff. This is all the posty bits, the old engine and stuff ready to be done. Tools in this section like welding, adventure stuff, all the stuff from the trips and stuff. Like that's just basically if I was going on an adventure I need to raid through that and get everything out of there. Bits and bobs, you always need nuts and bolts and screws and nails, extra paint from everything, tools. Yeah, so I've got a million jerry cans. It's just, you know, it's really nice having somewhere to put stuff now. And it actually gives me a space where I think, oh, I actually can spend some time in here and do things. And it also makes me realise how inadequate some of my tools are, like screwdrivers. It's something that I thought I had, but it turns out like I have like a screwdriver. So screwdrivers, pliers, monkey grips, those kind of things I don't own. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. So I will see you in the next one. I've got so much coming out and so many projects for the future. So stay tuned and I shall see you later.
How many times I ate my f***ing head? Oh, you mother... Oh, you motherfucker! Just smacked my head on everything in this f***ing shed.